Hi friends, in this video we'll learn how to multiply a binomial by a binomial, and our example is 3a plus 4b multiplied by 2a plus 3b. We do this step by step as we did in earlier cases where we followed distributive law of multiplication. So it is very simple. What we do is first we multiply 3a with this whole. So we write it like this, 3a, and then we put a bracket and 2a plus 3b like this. Okay, so we multiply the first term of this by this whole, and then we'll put this sign, which is the plus sign, and multiply the second term, that is 4b, again with this full, that is 2a plus 3b. You got it. We multiplied binomial into binomial ko, we converted now monomial into binomial, which we have already learned, which we can very easily do. Now how do we multiply monomial with a binomial? This into this and this into this. Here also this into this and this into this, right? So 3a multiplied by 2a becomes 6a square plus 3 into 3 is 9ab, followed by plus 4 2s are 8, b into a is ab or ba, kaise bhi likho chalega, then plus 4 3s are 12b square. Now when you reach at this particular stage, here you will see there are two numbers and here also there are two. So 2 multiplied by 2, so total you will get 4 terms. So 1 2 3 4. Now sometimes what happens in this, you have some like terms, like here a square jaisa to koi nahi, b square jaisa bhi koi nahi, but here it is ab and here it is also ab. So they get added. Don't leave it like this. So like term gets added. So you get it 6a square plus 8 8 16 plus 1 17ab plus 12b square. So you have to remember that you have to add the like terms. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2, total you should have 4 terms, but then because like terms get added up, you finally end up getting 3 terms. So we have to note down over here. This is very very important, this part, adding the like term. बहुत सारे बच्चे ये वाला step छोड़ देते हैं या भूल जाते हैं इसको करना. So we will write down a note that in multiplication of polynomials, right, with polynomials, we should always look for like terms, if any, अगर like terms हैं तो. And what do we do? And combine them. So this is an important point that we should look for like terms and we should combine them. So this was a very simple example. Let us proceed further. Here we have one more example for you. Again, this is a binomial multiplied by a binomial. So how do? We will first multiply the first the first term with the whole of this. So it will be x multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now there is a minus sign, so we'll write minus sign. Now the next term, that is 4 multiplied by this full bracket 2x plus 3. यहाँ पे भी बाहर माइनस है तो you have to be extra careful. यहाँ कोई problem नहीं है. Now again very simple, this is monomial into binomial like this. Here also it is monomial into binomial, it is like this. So x into 2x is 2x square plus 3 into x is 3x. Now this minus into plus is minus, 4 2s are 8x. Now minus into plus minus, 4 3s are 12. Again you have to look for the like term, and these two are like terms, right? So you get 2x square and plus 3 and minus 8 gives you minus 5. Minus होगा और साइन बड़े नंबर का लगेगा, minus 12. So this is your final answer. which has a total of 3 terms. You added up the like terms. So multiplying a binomial by a binomial is very simple. Let us proceed further for multiplying a binomial with a trinomial. Now example is, we multiply a plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. This part is the binomial part and this part is trinomial as it has 3 terms. So in this multiplication also we'll get this is 2 terms and this is 3 terms. So 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3s are, we'll get a total of 6 terms, right, which may reduce to 5 terms or 4 terms depending अगर उनके पास कोई like terms हैं, so they get added up. We'll use again the same distributive law over here. So how does it go? So a multiplied by this full bracket and then 7 multiplied by this full bracket. So a multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5 and then plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. Now it is already reduced to a monomial multiplied by a trinomial. So इसको इससे, इसको इससे, इसको इससे, फिर इसको इससे, इसको इससे और इसको इससे. So this becomes very easy. So a into a square is a cube plus a into 3a becomes, so 1, nothing is there, the 1 is there, so 1 3s are 3 and a square. Now 1 into 5 is 5a. Here also it is 7 into a square, 7a square plus 7 3s are 21a plus 7 5s are 35. Let us bring the like terms together. a cube जैसा कोई है, कोई है, कोई है, कोई नहीं है, ठीक है. उसके बाद 3a स्क्वायर जैसा कोई है, इधर है, सो ये लाइक टर्म है तो उसको पास में लिख लिया. फिर आगे आ जाते हैं 5a, yes 21a is the like term plus 35. Let us check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms were there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms are there. ये दोनों like terms हैं, यहाँ पे ये दोनों like terms हैं. So we get a cube plus 3a square plus 7a square becomes 10a square plus 5a plus 21a becomes 26a plus 35. So this is your answer. So it was very simple multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. And बाद में लास्ट में like terms को ऐड करना मत भूलना.